Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Microsoft Office products appear to be running into an error that is preventing them from working properly. So whether it's Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, the solution for all three should be the same. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should go back with Control Panel, so go ahead and left click on it to open it up. View by large icons, and then select Programs and Features from this list. You want to go ahead and locate Microsoft Office and select the Change button. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt, and select Quick Repair. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection, and go ahead and select Repair. Select Repair again. Okay, so once that's done, you can close out of here. Would recommend restarting your computer, and that should honestly be about it, guys. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.